Now we will move on to the next function, that is a draw line. Okay, in the Cohen Sutherland algorithm, we'll see one by one what is this draw line. In draw line, you are using GL begin. Okay, for whatever drawing you do, you should use a function, inbuilt function called GL begin. GL means graphics library. Begin means you are starting it. Okay, begin means you are starting it. In bracket, what type of drawing you are beginning, that you have to specify. That is called as GL underscore lines. GL underscore lines. GL underscore lines means you are beginning graphics library lines. You are beginning graphics library lines. So you are beginning the drawing. After beginning of the drawing, now you should give the vertex points. You should give vertex points. You can see here GL vertex 2F. 2 means 2 parameters. In the bracket, you should give 2 parameters. You can see x naught, y naught. See here, I am giving x naught, y naught means where user will give input. I think in a previous or before that video, you have seen you are taking input for the lines. You are taking input for the lines in int main. There you are using x naught, y naught, the same x naught, y naught here. Okay, that value will be substituted here. Okay, those are floating value. That is why 2f. F means floating. GL vertex. Vertex means you are giving vertex point. Okay, vertex. So x naught, y naught, 2f. And again, one more point, for lines you need one more line. So if for a line you need at least 2 points. Drawing up line you need at least 2 points. So one more point, GL vertex 2 of x1 y1. X naught y naught is the initial point, x1 y1 is the final point. Okay, then end that drawing. Okay, see, you can see here GL begin, you are beginning here. Okay, you are ending here. Okay, that is the main thing. If you begin a drawing, you are beginning a line, then you are drawing ending it. Okay, you are ending it for whatever drawing it is. This is about draw line. Okay, same way you should do it for draw rectangle. You should do it for what? Draw rectangle. In draw rectangle, you are using GL begin. You can see here the same thing, GL begin. Here line loop. Why line loop? See, before in the previous function draw line, you are using lines. Here using drawing line loop. Why? Because here this is a closed diagram. Rectangle is a closed diagram. You can see here it is a closed one. Okay, here it is a closed one. Line loop is a closed one. Where line is open, line loop is closed. Starting point will meet at the final point. Starting point and final point are same. That is line loop. Starting point and ending point are same. Okay, now you can see here for a loop. Okay, line loop, if you're drawing a rectangle, how many points you need? Definitely you need 4 points. Okay, for a rectangle you need how many points? 4 points. We'll see one by one. First point, GL vertex 2f as previous. Okay, x min, y min. X min, y min means that is the first point. That is the first point, x min, y min. Okay, this x min, y min, you are giving this value while you are taking input from the user. Okay, in int main, in int main. Next point, GL vertex 2f x max y min. Okay, next point is x max y min, and the third point is x max y max. Okay, next point is x max y max, and the final point is x min y max, and finally you are ending it. Okay, now I am going to draw it and show you how this actually line loop works. Okay, how this line loop works, as well as lines also. And let me draw a diagram. Okay, let's consider a rectangle. I am drawing a rectangle over here. Okay, now I'm taking one text now. Okay, I'll type over here. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, this one, this point. Okay, this point I'm telling, first point will be x min comma y min. This is x min y min. This is the x min y min. Next you can see I will type one more here, x max. Here this is x max and y min. This is x max y min. This point is x max y min, and we will see here. Okay, what would be this? Definitely here it is x max comma y max. Okay, and finally you are doing it this here. Okay, finally you are doing it here. Okay, that is x min comma y max. Okay, this is the last point. See, this is the actual thing. Okay, this is the actual thing. This is x min y min. See, first I have written x min y min. Second, okay, second I have written x max y min. This should be in order. First this point, second this point, third this point, fourth this point. You can't give random orders. It should be in order. First, second, third, fourth, and fourth will join with the first. Why? Because since it is a loop. Since it is a loop. Okay, since it is a loop. What is this? We will see what is this. What is this line? Now again I'll draw a line. I'll draw a line. Let's consider one line. Okay, I'm drawing a line like this. Okay, I'm drawing a line to this rectangle. This point is there. No, this point I'll type it over here. Okay, I will type it over here. Okay, this point is x0 comma y0. Okay, this is x0 y0 or x0 y0. Okay, and here it is x1 comma y1. I hope you understood very clearly about this. This is very important. This is x0 y0. Okay, this is x0 y0, this point, and this final point is x1 y1, that is over here. This is a line and this is the rectangle line loop. So these are the two functions used in Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm.